Alright, motherfuckers. On today's video, we're gonna be doing changing the air intake. Cause the paint shop lost the intake it had in it, and it lost the cover. So we're gonna do the air intake on it. We bought a cheapy one from eBay. This is the one everybody uses on their swap. This is the cheapest one you can get. This is the one that everybody uses on their swaps. That shit. This is the cheapest one you can use, and I believe it's like 60 bucks on eBay. So we're just gonna modify it to fit our shit. And do a lot of adjustments. Too big.
Una torre small, no?
What about?
It's not gonna hit the belt?
You're gonna have to make something from here.
A new bracket?
Go put it on.
It goes on. This goes on the inside?
Yeah. That's all I need to know.
I'll have to see if the filter fits in. Hold it up.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Let's go.
Did it? But what, the bump's gonna go down now?
Perfect right there.
We couldn't have made it go the other way? Like that?
Ta-da! Can probably go on there, but later on, still gotta shave this so it won't cut the holes. It was just to get it in there. Let me see. Alright, there you have it. It's just mock up right now. Later on, we're gonna come back and redo it nicely, tying up all the clamps. But there you go. See? We'll come back, shave those nice and smooth. Retightening all the clamps right now, they just hand tighten. Let's see. Clearance. Yeah. Hope is enough. But it should be enough. But there you have it, your custom air intake. Mexican engineering. We gotta clean up the harness going under, over, and plug. We gotta shave those down and tighten up everything. But that should be start it up. Let's see if let's see how that does. Rabbit. And there you have it. It works. There's no contact. Yeah, so we're just gonna lock it up in place, shave it, clean it up. It works. One last thing on the to-do list. We're just gonna have to clean it up, all the wiring. We'll have to clean it up, all the wiring, fix the battery. See if I can get a driver's side battery. Fucking shit, I think that belongs on the passenger side. But we're gonna try to get your driver's side battery hold tray. Clean up the wiring that they fucked up. I gotta do the steering wheel. I gotta give it a 180 because on 90 has to be straight. Have to fix that. They fucked that up too. Future videos we have posi coming in. That's the axles. So we still waiting on the posi for it. We waiting on the carpet. And fix the steering, the wiring, the posi, and that should be it for it. And it can go home. Alright, that'll be it for this video, motherfuckers. Remember, likes, what is it?
Share, subscribe.
No.
Yes, like, share, subscribe, and comment.
And that bell thingy. That turning your bell notification thingy on.
Yeah.
Alright, motherfuckers. See you on the next one.